Hello, my dear friends. Welcome back to my channel. Today, we will practice very important daily English questions and answers. These sentences will help you speak English naturally in daily life. So, let's start. Morning and routine.
What time do you wake up?
I wake up at 6 a.m.
Do you exercise every day?
Yes, I try to exercise daily.
What do you do after waking up?
I brush my teeth and freshen up.
Do you drink tea or coffee?
I usually drink tea.
Do you read in the morning?
Yes, I read for a few minutes.
How do you start your day?
I start my day positively.
Do you check your phone in the morning?
Yes, but not for long.
What is your morning habit?
Walking and thinking calmly.
Do you plan your day?
Yes, I make a simple plan.
Do you wake up early or late?
I wake up early.
Food and eating. What do you eat for breakfast?
I eat simple and healthy food.
Do you cook at home?
Yes, sometimes I cook.
What is your favorite food?
I love homemade food.
Do you eat outside often?
No, I prefer home food.
Do you drink enough water?
Yes, I try to drink more water.
What did you eat today?
I ate rice and vegetables.
Do you like spicy food?
Yes, but not too much.
Do you skip meals?
No, I eat on time.
What do you eat at night?
Light and simple food.
Do you eat fruits daily?
Yes, when possible.
Work and study. What do you do for a living?
I work as a freelancer.
Do you like your work?
Yes, I enjoy my work.
Are you busy today?
Yes, a little busy.
Do you work from home?
Yes, I work from home.
What are you learning now?
I am learning English.
Do you practice English daily?
Yes, every day.
What time do you study?
Mostly in the evening.
Is your work stressful?
Sometimes, but manageable.
Do you enjoy learning new things?
Yes, very much.
What motivates you?
My goals and dreams.
Communication and social life. Do you talk with friends daily?
Yes, I do.
Who do you talk to most?
My family and friends.
Are you shy while speaking English?
A little, but improving.
Do you like meeting new people?
Yes, I enjoy it.
How do you greet people?
With a smile.
Do you use social media daily?
Yes, for a short time.
Do you like helping others?
Yes, it makes me happy.
Are you a good listener?
Yes, I listen carefully.
Do you express your feelings?
Yes, honestly.
Do you speak politely?
Yes, always.
Health and feelings.
How do you feel today? I feel good today.
Are you healthy?
Yes, I am healthy.
Do you get enough sleep?
Yes, most days.
What do you do when tired?
I take rest.
Do you feel stressed?
Sometimes, but I relax.
How do you relax?
By listening to music.
Do you walk daily?
Yes, I try to walk.
Are you happy with life?
Yes, I am thankful.
What makes you smile?
Simple moments.
Do you stay positive?
Yes, I try my best.
Time and daily habits. What time is it now?
It's around evening.
Do you value time?
Yes, very much.
Are you punctual?
Yes, I respect time.
How do you spend free time?
Learning and relaxing.
Do you waste time online?
I try not to.
Do you make daily goals?
Yes, small goals.
What is your daily habit?
Learning something new.
Do you follow a routine?
Yes, a simple one.
Do habits shape life?
Yes, habits are powerful.
Do you plan for tomorrow?
Yes, every night.
Thoughts and motivation.
Do you believe in yourself? Yes, I do. What is your goal? To speak English fluently. Do you fear mistakes? No, mistakes help me learn. Do you compare yourself with others? No, I focus on myself. What inspires you? Positive people. Do you give up easily? No, I keep trying. What is success for you? Peace and growth. Do you believe practice works? Yes, practice changes everything. Can you improve English daily? Yes, with small steps. Will you keep learning English? Yes, never stop learning.
That's all for today, my friends. Practice these questions daily and speak loudly. Small practice brings big improvement. If you enjoyed this video, like, share, and subscribe. See you in the next lesson. Thank you.